Hi there everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to share screen with audio in Messenger. So let's get started. First of all, let me just open up the Messenger for you real quick. Alright, here you go. And then let's just make a call. Alright, you can simply call with the video and also audio call. In both cases you can share your screen with audio. Alright, for my case I'm going with the audio call, so let's just make it a call. Now what you can simply do to share your screen is very simple, guys. What you can simply do, tap on this icon on the bottom side, just tap on this icon and then you will see share screen start sharing option. So what you can simply do, tap on the start sharing option and then again tap on start now. So as you can see, we got our screen being shared. So if you just want to see if this is works or not, as you can see guys, we have successfully shared our screen with the Messenger. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this video works for you or not, and I will catch you guys in the very next one. Peace out.